Hey there, it's Claire. Welcome to our channel where we transform complicated cooking into easy and fun experiences. Today, I have a delightful dish to share with you. A dish will awaken your appetite and leave you wanting more. Pan-fried fish cubes. Get ready to impress your family and friends with the amazing flavors. Did you like our show today? Please subscribe, give us a thumbs up, and share our program with your friends. Don't worry if you can't find some ingredients. You can always replace specific vegetables or spices, like Chinese 13 spice powder or Cajun spice, with similar items you have. Keep your eyes on this channel, as we'll keep bringing you more exciting content. Bye for now.